Well, y'all will have to beat me.
Well, listen to me, Jasmine. If I try to put these up...
To beat the shit out of me! No! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Now you just caught another charge because you just hit me in my face. You called on the officer.
Get the fuck off of me! Touch me again! A past charge. If I get another one, I won't go to college. So I'm not doing.
On December 26th, 2023, officers responded to a shoplifting call at a local Sephora. Loss prevention had already established probable cause through direct observation of concealment, satisfying Illinois v. Gates, 1983, totality of circumstances standard. Sephora's formal prosecution decision removed any officer discretion to offer payment as an alternative. The arrest was legally mandatory.
And then Sephora, just so you guys know, Sephora does prosecute everything. So we will be filing charges. You're also going to be trespassed from all Sephoras for 5 years. If myself or any other loss prevention agent identifies you, we can charge you with criminal trespassing.
How old is she?
16 and 17.
Oh, both of them. Okay.
Neither of them have identification on them.
Okay. We're both stealing?
Was pretty much making the majority of the selections. Jasmine was the one that concealed into the purse.
Okay.
Smart papers, so.
How old are both of you? You're 16? Okay.
What is your date of birth?
Wait, so we can't just pay for it?
Correct.
No, that's not an
that
option.
You have to get mom.
When did we have that option?
You have to get mom or
To pay
dad
for the product.
to pick you up,
And then you chose to steal
Why?
instead, remember?
or else you're going to go down to DH.
No, I'm not.
What?
No, I'm not.
I'm sorry.
I'm not.
I mean, you will. That's literally what's going to happen. I'm
You would have to
I'm being straight
drag
up.
me into the car.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
No.
I'm sorry.
No.
Yes, you are.
You're under arrest right now.
You are. We are pressing charges.
You can press charges, but...
Stand up and put your hands behind your back, Jasmine. Yeah, you're going in cuffs.
No.
Stand up.
Set your phone down.
This isn't a game.
You're under arrest for theft.
No, if you touch me.
Then you're going to get charged with obstruction at the very least.
We're trying to be
then you
nice
can
with
touch me. Try touching me.
I mean, you're going to be arrested. There's no way around this.
So please comply.
You're either going to catch another charge, which will make this a lot more complex in your court proceeding, or you can be a responsible adult and speak with us, talk with us, do what we need to do so we can get you out of here, and then that will look a lot better when you do have your court date. But you are under arrest.
Why?
Because you stole stuff.
We didn't even get like 20 feet away from the store.
That's semantics. That's not up for. That's not.
But we didn't get
This
20
isn't
feet
the
away. I
courtroom.
already have a past charge. If I get another one, I won't go to college. So I'm not doing this shit.
You resisting is going to be a lot worse.
I'm not doing this shit. I want to pay for it.
It's not up for.
You just want to see me lose. So
I don't.
No,
I want to do
I
my
can't
job,
do
which
it. I can't
unfortunately
do
I have to do right now.
We're trying to help you, actually.
No, you're not.
You are under arrest.
No, you're not. You're not helping at all.
Whether or not you catch another charge for resisting is on you.
No, because if I get another charge, I'm not going to college. What you guys not understand about that?
You are under arrest for theft right
So
now.
what do you guys not understand about that?
This isn't a conviction. This is just, you're going to have to go to court and deal with this and speak to a judge about it. I know you don't want to, but your actions caused this. My actions didn't cause this. This officer's actions didn't cause this. Your actions today caused this. And now you have to deal with the consequences. I mean, you are. We're trying to be nice about it right now.
No.
I mean, you are. I'm telling you right now, you are.
No.
Okay, there's no way around it. We're trying to be civil about this and give you an opportunity to comply.
Well, y'all will have to beat me.
Well, listen, Jasmine, if I try to put these on you and you fight us...
You have to beat me.
Well, listen to me.
You would have
If
to beat the shit out of me. No!
Ma'am.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Alright, now you're going to get charged for You need to relax. Now you just caught another charge because you just hit me in my face. You called on the officer.
You white mother.
Jeff, it's a minor theft and you're making it bigger.
Turn over.
No! Get the f*** off me! Get the f*** off of me! Touch me again! You come on, let's just do this once again!
There you go. Nathan, it's way harder than it needed to be, Jeff. Now, are you going to stand up?
No.
Let me let radio know.
Oh, I can't wait for my mom to find out. Can't wait for my mom and my lawyer to find out. What's your name? Bailey?
Mine, Officer Bailey.
Yeah, and it was just unnecessary for me, so.
You going to stand up?
No.
Jeff, relax. Relax. It was just a minor theft. A misdemeanor. And you just turned it into something completely different.
I'm not going to college anyway.
That doesn't matter about that. Right. It's over a theft.
I don't give a f***. I need to pay for everything.
Okay, it still would have been a minor theft. You would have got a court
No,
date.
because y'all was letting me pay for shit. You never gave me the option.
That's not an option once you already called.
I was literally 20 feet away from the store.
Right.
And I came in here willingly.
All places fails, and then you just resisted and fought, and you hit me in my face. You assault on the officer.
So?
Okay. That's what it came in. Let's get up. You have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, poke me, stick me?
Take me, this
Any
handcuffs
weapon?
off. Does it look like I got shit on me?
check.
Take these handcuffs off me so I can call my mom. It's my money.
Hey, vibrator.
Relax. You don't make the handcuffs hurt more than what you do.
Just looking for some advice.
Gladly readjust them and make them double lock.
Stand up.
No, I want to call my mom.
You will be able to at the gym.
No, I'm coming in right here.
You're making this so much worse.
I'm calling my mom right now.
You're probably going to go to PH right now.
I'm calling my mom right now.
The subject argues she never left the store. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 2001, custodial arrest is constitutionally valid for any criminal offense, including petty misdemeanors, once probable cause exists. Physical distance from the store at apprehension does not negate completed elements of theft. Concealment with intent to deprive satisfies the statutory threshold. Officers issue repeated verbal warnings before any physical contact, advising of additional charges, offering time to comply, presenting compliance as mitigating at sentencing. This satisfies de-escalation protocol and documents. The subject's informed refusal to cooperate, which is directly relevant to any subsequent resisting arrest charge. Physical resistance to handcuffing triggers Graham versus Connor, 1989. The Supreme Court's three-factor test requires assessing the severity of the underlying offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All three factors support authorization of reasonable physical force. The standard is objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective, not hindsight. The subject strikes an officer. This constitutes simple assault on a law enforcement officer, an offense entirely independent of the underlying theft, elevated in most jurisdictions to a higher degree than standard assault. At this point, the subject faces three independent charges: theft, resisting arrest, and assault on a law enforcement officer. Officers apply physical restraint and double lock the handcuffs. Force-used control techniques following active assault. Falls within the authorized range on the use of force continuum. Double locking is required procedure. It prevents tightening, eliminates grounds for injury-based civil liability claims, and is consistent with department training standards.
No! There's a phone right there!
You gotta relax.
Call my mom!
Phone. This is your purse?
Yes!
Then this is your purse.
Call my
Want your leg
mom!
too soon? Put this in your... I got it.
Call my mom!
We're gonna call out there for section anyway.
There was deception in my friend. Call her
So you gonna walk to the cruiser like...
I want to call
Once you get to the jail, you can, okay?
I want to call her now.
You can't right now. You're
Yes, I
under
do.
arrest, okay? Once you get to
Yes,
the jail,
I can.
No, you can't.
I can.
You cannot, okay?
I can.
So are you gonna walk to the cruiser?
I want
Then
to
once
call
we
my
get back
mom.
to the jail, then you'll be able to make a phone call.
I want to call my mom.
That's not gonna be happening. Okay? That's not gonna be happening right now. So you're gonna walk to the cruiser so we can start this
Where's
process.
Nita?
Who is who?
Nita.
She's out here. You're fine. She's out there.
Okay, so come. Start acting out once we get out. Public now.
Nita, call my mom. Right now.
Okay, come on. Let's go.
We gotta work out.
Don't call.
Call my mom.
No, do not call.
Call my
Let's
mom.
go.
No.
Okay. We can keep doing this.
Call my mom. Nita, on the fucking plane. Call my mom. What the fuck?
I'm sorry.
You gave me.
I thought we were paying.
No, you did not.
I did.
You came in here saying that you wanted this shit for free and you didn't want to spend your money.
What's that?
I'm gonna walk the right of wheelchair.
Oh,
That's what I said, man.
Either way, you're going back to the jail. So you can make it easy or you can make it hard, which you already have done. And I would like for you to just walk to the cruiser to make it easy for me. Okay?
where's my hat?
It's in your purse. I'll put everything in your purse. I got you. Let's go.
I need a hat. I'm not walking up with my hair like this.
And then you're gonna walk like an adult out of here. Okay? We're not making any stops. It's gonna be straight to the cruiser. All right, let's go.
The subject demands an immediate phone call. Officers correctly decline. The right to a phone call is not constitutionally guaranteed at the scene of arrest. It attaches post-booking at the detention facility. No Fourth, Fifth, or Sixth Amendment violation arises from this refusal at this stage. Station processing reveals the subject is 18, not 16, as represented throughout the encounter. Providing false identifying information during an official criminal process is an independent offense. Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.13 with analogous statutes in all U.S. jurisdictions. Critically, confirmation of adult status eliminates juvenile court jurisdiction, forfeiting any access to diversion, deferred adjudication, or sealed records. Voluntary statements made throughout the encounter without invoking Fifth Amendment protections are potentially inculpatory. Whether Miranda warnings were administered prior to custodial interrogation is not confirmed in the record. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, statements obtained in custody without prior advisement are subject to suppression, a procedural gap that affects admissibility of any post-arrest admissions. Officers receive a B+. The arrest was lawful, de-escalation was documented and repeated, force was proportionate to active assault, and handcuff procedure was correctly executed. The sole deficiency, Miranda advisement, is unconfirmed in the record. A compliance gap with direct evidentiary consequences. The primary subject receives a D. One misdemeanor charge became for theft, assault on an officer, obstruction of official business, and falsification of identity. After officers provided explicit prior warning at each escalation point, the secondary subject receives a C+. Full compliance prevented additional charges. Grade is limited by participation in the predicate offense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching,